follow. This is the third way to develop the spirituality. This is the wara we call. It is an Arabic word for taking care. This is the Arabic word. Al-wara is the Arabic word for taking care. Our Prophet saying is reported in the book Ahmad and Tirmizi. You follow which does not make you doubtful, and give up all which make you doubts. So Prophet ﷺ has said, whatever you do in your day-to-day life, something which is doubtful, you better avoid. One day Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said to a Sahaba, you give up all which are doubtful. Then that Sahabi asked, Ya Rasulallah, how it is possible? Then Prophet ﷺ said, when you intend to do a bad, your mind will hesitate to do it. And a mu'min will always avoid even the minor sins, afraid of all the ruinous sins. This hadith is also reported in the book Tabarani. Above hadith is a definition for the taking care or wara. Why we are taking more care in every aspect of our life, that is, not to take place any sort of wrong. We should think of the food we consume, and the dresses we adorn, the dwellings we reside, and the word we speak. So we have to be careful in everything what we do in our day-to-day life. The wara, taking care, will make us a perfect man. Fourth way to develop the spirituality is zuhud. Zuhud is also one of Arabic terms. It means disliking the worldly life. We can like the worldly life, yet when we compare this world with the life of the hereafter, this world is nothing. Darul Bana is the word used for this worldly life. It means a temporary life. Darul Baqa is a life after the death which is permanent. One day a man came to our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and asked, O Ya Rasulallah, tell me something good. If I do it, Allah and the people will love me. Then Prophet ﷺ said, you give up the liking of worldly life, then Allah will love you. And do not demand and do not ask anything from the people, then the people also will love you. This hadith also reported in the book Sunan Ibn Majah. Disliking the worldly life does not mean giving up all the comfort we enjoy in this world. It means we should keep a distance from excessive love towards the worldly affairs. Totally disliking the worldly life is called as rahbaniya in Arabic. Islam does not permit us to react at this stage at any circumstances. So let us follow the balanced life. So students, in order to be effective you are studying, you will have to repeatedly listen to these videos, and you will have to take a note, and for as it is an exam oriented, you better listening to the videos again and again.